right, it's Sunday, the 25th of August, so the summer is rapidly passing us by, so we're trying to take full advantage of it when we can. We got a bunch of Grand Nationals and Buick Regals over here, and there's a odd either a Challenger or a Cuda in there. They are probably going to a local show here in Uxbridge, Ontario. There's a show in Uxbridge, and there's another show that we're going to be going to up in Lake Dalrymple. Oh, Dalrymple, I guess it is. So we've got a little gathering of British cars here that we're going to take up there. I know there's a couple of MGs coming as well. So this is our little group so far. We've got a few more minutes before we depart here. So it's funny, we've got the same meeting location as the Grand National people. So anyway, we're gonna have a good day today, and we're looking forward to it. I've never been to Lake Dalrymple show before, so it's supposed to be beautiful up that way. We've got about an hour from here, a little over an hour from here to get up there. So looking forward to the drive. Couple more arrivals. Wow, more than a couple. Holy cow. That's the most I've seen in one spot, ever. It's kind of like what Ford said. You can have any color as long as it's black. There's a GNX, it looks like. Pretty rare. Cool cars. Always liked them. Absolute beautiful day for a drive. Get amongst the cornfields. Just arriving at Lake Dalrymple. I can see it here on my left-hand side. Beautiful. Oh, seaplanes. Looks like a nice little town. Sleepy. Looks beautiful. All right, this is Brits at the lake at Dalrymple, and I'm probably going to not be able to video too much with sound because obviously you can hear the stereo going in the background. I'll probably get a copyright infringement, so probably do this video with an overdubbed soundtrack. But anyway, well, let's wander around the field and show you the cars. Got a little bit of a British lineup here, so we'll run through those first. All right, there's Lake Dalrymple there, if you can see it just from the upper parking lot here. Nice spot. Nice little show. Great drive to get here. Good thing about these shows is there's usually somebody selling butter tarts. I like butter tarts. All right, we had a wonderful day at the Dalrymple car show. Great little venue. I think the attendance was down this year because that was a rain date today versus last weekend when it was supposed to be, and there's a competing car show in a little town where we just came from Uxbridge actually. They had a big show on today as well. So anyway, great little show, well organized, and thanks to the coordinators for putting that show on. So we're just on our way back home, so we're looking forward to an enjoyable drive. Get us cooled down a little bit. A little warm day today, or this afternoon's been warm, but anyway, great show today, and now we're on our way home. Got a TR6 in front, a couple TR6s in behind.